Living in a bustling city like Dallas offers many benefits, including access to great restaurants, entertainment, and job opportunities. However, one downside to urban living is the noise pollution that often comes with it. Whether it's the sound of traffic, construction, airplanes, or even late-night city activities, noise can disrupt your peace and negatively affect your quality of life. For homeowners in Dallas neighborhoods, one of the most effective solutions to reduce the impact of external noise is window replacement. If you're struggling with noise disturbance from outside, here's how replacing your windows with modern, noise-reducing options can improve the comfort of your home and create a quieter living environment. Understanding noise pollution and its effects. Noise pollution in Dallas is a common issue, particularly in areas near busy streets, highways, airports, and commercial districts. Constant exposure to noise can lead to increased stress levels, sleep disturbances, and a higher risk of health issues, including hearing loss, hypertension, and anxiety. Windows are one of the primary entry points for outside noise. Single-pane windows, often found in older homes, offer little to no sound insulation, allowing sound to easily pass through. If you're hearing traffic, sirens, or other disruptive sounds inside your home, it may be time to consider upgrading your windows to more soundproof or noise-reducing models. How modern windows reduce noise pollution. Newer window technologies are specifically designed to improve both energy efficiency and sound insulation. When you replace old, inefficient windows, you're not just increasing your home's energy efficiency, you're also blocking out unwanted noise from the outside world. Here's how new windows can help. Double and triple pane glass. One of the most effective ways to reduce noise pollution is by installing double pane or triple pane windows. These windows consist of 2 or 3 layers of glass, with an air or gas-filled space between them. The extra layers create a barrier that absorbs sound waves and prevents them from traveling through the window. This significantly reduces the amount of outside noise entering your home. Laminated glass. Laminated glass is another popular option for noise reduction. It consists of 2 layers of glass with a sound-dampening layer of plastic in between. This structure helps block noise, making it especially effective for homes located near high-traffic areas, airports, or industrial zones. Laminated windows not only reduce noise but also provide added security, as they are harder to break than standard glass. Soundproof windows. Some windows are specifically engineered for soundproofing. These windows often feature specialized frames and thicker, multi-layered glass designed to block out sound. They are an excellent choice for homes in Dallas neighborhoods that experience significant noise pollution from nearby highways, train tracks, or other sources. The role of proper installation in noise reduction. While choosing the right window is crucial for noise reduction, proper installation is just as important. Even the best windows won't perform effectively if they're not installed correctly. Gaps or improper sealing around the window frame can allow noise to enter, negating the benefits of the noise-reducing features of the glass. Hiring a professional for window replacement ensures that your windows are installed with a perfect seal, preventing air gaps that would let in sound. A professional installer will also ensure that your new windows fit securely within the frame and are sealed properly to maximize both energy efficiency and sound insulation. Additional benefits of window replacement for noise pollution. Beyond reducing noise pollution, window replacement offers several other advantages that can enhance the comfort and value of your Dallas home. Improved sleep quality. A quieter environment leads to better sleep. By reducing the amount of noise entering your home, you'll be able to enjoy more restful sleep and wake up feeling more refreshed, which has numerous health benefits. Enhanced comfort. Noise pollution can create an uncomfortable living environment. Replacing old windows with newer models that provide superior soundproofing will create a more peaceful atmosphere at home, helping you enjoy your space more fully. Increased home value. Homes with energy-efficient, noise-reducing windows are more attractive to buyers, particularly those who value a quiet, comfortable living space. Investing in window replacement can increase your home's resale value and make it more appealing to prospective buyers. Better energy efficiency. Noise-reducing windows, especially double-pane and triple-pane glass, are typically also energy efficient. The same layers of glass that block out noise also serve as a barrier to heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This means that window replacement can lower your energy bills while improving the comfort of your home year-round. Choosing the right window for your home. When selecting new windows for noise reduction, it's essential to consider both your budget and the level of noise pollution you're dealing with. Double-pane windows are often a great starting point for homeowners who want to reduce noise without a significant investment. For those in high-noise areas, laminated glass or soundproof windows may be worth the additional cost. A professional window installer can help you choose the right type of window based on the noise levels around your home and your specific needs. Conclusion. Enhance your Dallas home with noise-reducing windows. If you're tired of dealing with the constant noise pollution from traffic, trains, or neighbors in Dallas, window replacement offers an effective solution. By installing energy-efficient, noise-reducing windows, you can create a quieter, more comfortable living environment while also improving your home's energy efficiency. Whether you opt for double-pane windows, laminated glass, or soundproof windows, the benefits of reducing outside noise will make your home more peaceful and enjoyable. Consult with a trusted window replacement professional in Dallas to discuss your options and start enjoying the benefits of a quieter, more serene home today.